Terry. Hi, everyone, and thanks for joining us. I guess before we get started, I should probably give everyone a little bit of a background of what we're doing here today. Concern over declines in native trout populations in Alberta have really highlighted the need for assessment and monitoring tools that can help land and resource managers detect changes in habitat quality and more generally just to better understand the cumulative impacts of human activities and natural disturbances on watersheds. Biomonitoring can help provide a more comprehensive picture of aquatic ecosystem health and watershed condition. And one biomonitoring tool that's available to any trained user is Cabin. It's developed and administered by Environment and Climate Change Canada. And I also want to emphasize before we get going that this workshop does not constitute Cabin training. Emily's going to fill everyone in on training shortly. But rather our goal this morning is just to learn more about Cabin. And as part of a Cabin related project that the water program is working on, we were given an opportunity to bring in some experts to tell us about how the program works, its advantages, how it's being used to answer a variety of questions, and how it's being used to generate information that can help support decision making. And a secondary goal of this workshop is to connect prospective Cabin users with resources, information, and a growing network within a network of users that have either already implemented or are planning to implement Cabin in the Eastern Slopes and Foothills regions.